So if you want to become this interesting person, firstly invest in the self growth. Hi beautiful souls, welcome to my channel. My name is Ankita, your friend over here, back again with another amazing video for all of you. Before I move forward, I would like to request you, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and be part of this tribe. It really means a world to me. As you can see from the title itself, this video is an interesting one. And I'm sure in this video there is something for everyone. So stay till end, we will discover a lot in this video. I was inspired to record this video because I was having this conversation with a friend of mine and I was just researching about this more, like why people impress others. What are the core factors that make us behave and act differently? You know, the interesting thing what I found was mostly the people whom we are trying to impress doesn't really matter to us. Yes, this is the bitter truth. Because the real people, the actual people, don't want you to impress them. They are already fan of yours in some way or the other. If you go and look at your own family members, you will see that you are just very authentic in front of your immediate family. I'm not talking over here in front of relatives, because we put certain mask in front of relatives to show ourselves differently. But when it comes to our immediate family, we don't do that. So why we don't do that? Ask yourself this thing and you will find that they know you so well that you don't have to wear any mask. And tell me one more thing, why do they know you so well? Because you have spent your entire life with them and you have just grown with them. When you were nothing, since then they are seeing you. So with them you don't have to put any mask or you don't have to perform. On the other side, when new people come in your life, we all try to be our best self. But you know, over the period of time, in my own journey and my own life, I have realized one thing. The people who really matter to you, the people who will be with you, don't really want you to be any other way than who you are. Because what you will see is, when you are trying to impress others, you won't be able to sustain that. After a while, you will see that, that ice will break and your authentic side will come. Some people will stay with you, other will drift apart. But what if you just start living your life being authentic? You know what it will do to you is, you don't have to have this pressure of performing in front of people. Also, if you are authentic, if you are true to yourself, the chances are those relations are going to be for a long period of time in your life. And sometimes it is so hard and we feel that pain where people just drift apart, when people just go from our life. But the truth over here is, you were trying to build a fake relation. You were not trying to build authentic relation. And if there is no authenticity in the relation, and this can be any kind of relation, you will see that it will fizzle out. So first thing, if you want people to be in your life for a long time, be authentic to yourself and don't try to impress. Coming to the second part of this video, what I found is, which is somewhere a bitter truth and painful thing is, most of us try to impress others with materialistic things. Either by looking certain way, by owning lot of things, but this is how our society is actually pressurizing us, is somewhere forcing us to be certain way. But it is our responsibility to deny that pressure. See, it is always in your hand. Either you want to accept that pressure or let go. It is just always your choice. And especially if you're in early 20s, this factor will be more relevant to you guys, because at that point of time, we actually do certain things where we are just trying to, fit in. Whereas I feel you're never meant to fit in. We all are designed to, stand out, not just be like a crowd. So if you're just doing certain things to fit in, you will see that there will be a time when this thing will hurt you badly. And if you are in your late 20s and early 30s or somewhere around that age, you will see that how true it is. Initially, even I had lot of people in my life, lot of friends But as I was growing, I realized like certain people were going from my life, and this is the nature of life. But only the true authentic people will stay with you till end. And I have myself seen like there were relation, there were friendship which was so shallow, because we all have this fear somewhere, what if other person knows this or that. But on the other side, you will see that when you are living in alignment with your higher self, your authentic version, you will be unafraid, because you will just own yourself. You won't be afraid to show up the way you are. And then you will see that, from there your growth will happen. You will become a different person. If you're in early 20s, there are high chances that you are still in this era, this age, where you're doing certain things to impress others. But as your friend over here who is already in her 30, I want to tell you one thing. By the time you reach 30, you will feel like you have wasted a lot of time just impressing those people who doesn't even matter to you. Now, what you can do so that you break from this cycle? What I have seen and I have done over the period of time is start impressing yourself. Yes, as cliched sound, the more you impress yourself, you will know your true self. The more you know yourself, you won't do certain things which are not in alignment with your values. And what you can do to know yourself? I personally feel the people I am most drawn to are those who are working on themselves, who are somewhere having this growth mindset, and mostly they are entrepreneur in some way or the other, because that entrepreneur mindset is a very hustle mindset. It's not just about hustling for yourself, but it is about creating an impact. They are more wiser soul. They are always invested in learning and growing. And when you are surrounded with these people, you will see that your energy is different, your mind works differently. Otherwise, you will just be surrounded by people who will not add any value in your life, because if they are not doing anything in their life, what you would expect them to do for you, right? Only people who are growing in life, they help you to grow. So that's why it is said that it's so important to surround yourself with the people who are in a similar journey, who are working towards growth, because eventually when you are surrounded by these people, you will grow by yourself just by being in their energy, just by being in their presence. But on the other side, it is also true, if you're surrounded by wrong people, you will see that slowly and eventually you will also come down to their level. So choose the circle wisely. Also, if you want to connect with people authentically, connect with yourself first. Invest in yourself. Invest in learning, growing, because this kind of relation is always a two-way process. If you are not adding anything in their life, why would anyone want to associate with you, right? So if you want this kind of people in your life, it is important that you also grow in life by educating yourself, by listening to good content. Now we are living in the world. We are so blessed and privileged that we are living in a time where everything is so easily accessible. We can reach and learn and educate ourselves with whatever thing we want. We can just go and learn it so easily because it's a digital world. But what we do is we just spend our time miserly. Whereas you should just be wiser with your time. You should be very careful where you're putting your time and energy, because in the end you are a byproduct of where your energy goes. And I have seen like the more you work on yourself, your energy will be different. As you radiate that different energy, people will come and they will be drawn to you, because they know like, okay, there is something interesting about you. So if you want to become this interesting person, firstly invest in the self-growth. And one more disclaimer, I was just watching this video where I found like, most of the people in US are living in debt because they are owning things which they don't need. Nowadays, getting things by credit card or EMI is so easy, and that just keeps us broke, because we just keep on taking lot of things which we don't even know like when we will use it. And I'm sure we all have experienced this thing in our life some way or the other. But what we are doing in the end, when we are taking things in EMI, we are just mostly doing it to impress others. This is so linked, I have seen lot of people just throwing money like anything just to impress others. I have seen this from my closest people also. When I was in my early 20s, I used to feel like, oh wow, this is so nice and fancy. But as I reached to my 30s, I realized how fake this world was. Now if I tell you, my life has become more minimalism. I don't just consume and I just don't own lot of things. That's not me anymore. But I was on that end too at one point of time. That's why I know how it feels to be on the other side. And you know, the lesser things you own, you will feel lighter because there won't be many things to take care of. You know, when we have so much of stuff, we even have to take care. This also goes with people in your life. When you have so many people in your life, you will see that your time and energy is divided. You won't be having that time for yourself. Whereas if you focus on quality over quantity, your time will be limited. You won't just be invested in other people. You will have time for yourself. So ultimately all these things comes down to your values, your principle, how you want to live by. Do you want to live a life where you're impressing people by owning lot of things, by having lot of people, or you just want to be selective with all areas of your life, whether it is materialistic thing, people, or anything in your life? If you live your life with that higher value, not just to impress other, you will see that once you start living your life this way, your quality of life will improve and less drama will make you be at peace. So it is always your choice. What do you want in your life? If you want peace in your life, if you want happiness in your life, I personally feel it just comes down to don't do anything to impress others. If you impress yourself, you will be like you are enough and you don't need any other person to make you feel good because you have attained that connection with yourself where happiness is not about others. It is you feeling good. So choose wisely, don't do anything to impress others. If you really want to impress anyone, it should be you. And that's how you will just have a beautiful life which is filled with lot of love, light, peace and positivity, because that's how even I have made my life moving forward. So it is coming from an experience. The more you live your life authentically, it just makes you feel at ease and you just become comfortable being your authentic self. Now I would love to know from you, what do you think about this video? Let me know in the comment section. I'm looking forward to read your comment. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and be part of this tribe. Your presence truly matters and it means the world to me. I'm looking forward to connect with all of you in my next video. Sending you lots of love and light. Signing off from my side. Until next time, keep shining bright. Bye bye.